Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. Today I'd like to show you an unboxing of two diamond paintings that I got. They're Diamond Dotz diamond paintings and I got them from dotsdirect.com.au. I have, both of them are intermediates and both of them are birds. So without further ado, I'm going to get stuck into it. So I will do this one first. So this one here is a miniature magic, and they come in these beautiful boxes. Not only are they beautiful, but they're very sturdy, except for this one. I actually crunched this one. It didn't come like that to me, so that was my fault. What I love about these boxes too is that it shows you the image done in the drills, and it also shows you on the side. I didn't realize this before until today, but it actually shows you not only the drill area, but it also shows you the number of colors in your kit, as well as how many drills are in your kit, which I think is pretty cool. And then on the other side, you've got the actual image and the design size and the canvas size. So it's all there on the box. So let's get stuck into it. Okay, so you've got your canvas and your drills. Right, so your drills, they come like this. I love how it tells you the Diamond Dotz code as well as the name of your canvas. Very, very handy when you're trying to locate it in amongst other ones, so I love that. But anyway, let's have a look at this canvas. That's what I want to look at. They come in these plastic sleeves just to protect them a bit more. I love how they come in those boxes because your canvases do not get crunched. They're so well protected, it's just awesome. So in here you get an instruction sheet. It's in color and it's also in different languages. Very handy. So this is my hummingbird. I just thought that was so pretty. I love the background. It is a partial. Your design size is 28 by 29 centimeters and your fabric size is 36 by 37. So it's a great size, easy to work on, very nice. Down the side here, I love how they give you two indexes or symbol indexes. I love that, especially on the bigger projects. Just makes life so much easier. So I'll bring you up a little bit closer and you can have a look. We have 24 colors. So there's your symbol key. So they're very clear and easy to see. I normally don't like symbols on your canvas, but these are color coded as well, and it just makes things a lot easier. And also your drill field's also very well printed. It's very easy to see and clear. You don't get smudging. Very pretty. Very pretty. And there's your sizes down there. And your beautiful scalloped edges. I love how these canvases have the scalloped edges. And the actual feel and quality of these canvas is just, it's really nice to work with. Very pretty. We'll check your glue test. It's very sticky. Very pretty. All right, let's have a look at those drills. The best part. All right, so in with your drills. You've got your drills. And, oh gosh, I've got drills going everywhere. And you've got your toolkit. So your little toolkit here. You get your wax and that screw top container. You also get a drill tray. You get a drill pen and you get a finger thingy to make the pen easier to grasp. And you also get some Ziploc bags. Okay, so these drills, show you these loose ones first. Got some creams and some peaches and some greys. Oops, and some black. And just some really pretty pinks and reds. Very nice. Beautiful shine. Very pretty. And these ones, you got some various greens, some dark greens, medium greens, etc., etc. Got your green AB. Beautiful sparkle. I love those drills. They're just gorgeous. And some reds and oranges. Very pretty. So that's my hummingbird. Looking forward to doing that one. It should be pretty easy to whip up. And I'll end up showing you the finished product when I get around to it. So without further ado, let's have a look at the other one. Monkey him over there. Okay, so the next one is Rainbow Parrots. Ooh. He's like bulging at the seams, that one. So again, you've got your design on your box, so you can actually see it up close what it's going to look like when it's finished. I love that. There is your drill area and what? 37 colors. And on the other side, you have your image and your sizes of your fabric and your design. So let's have a look. You've got your drills. And your canvas. Again in a plastic sleeve. Where are we? Okay, these parrots, this one's an intermediate as well. So I love this. I love the colors. I love the size. You don't muck around with background. I love how the birds take up the whole picture. This is a partial as well, and it is a round drill. Again, you've got your directions. And yep, there we go. I love this. I think it's gorgeous. I think the colors are just going to pop. It's going to look awesome. There's a lot of colors in here, 37 colors. It's just going to look beautiful. Gorgeous. So this one, the fabric size is 85 by 38 centimeters and your design size is 77 by 30 centimeters. So it's quite long and quite narrow. And again, your scalloped edges around the edging there and 2 symbol charts. So I'll bring those up so you can have a look at those symbol charts because there are actually quite a few. And again, it's just easy to see. Color coded. Beautiful. In your drill field. I'll try and get this up without making it wonky. So you're getting a lot of detail, especially you can see that in the green one. It's just going to look beautiful. And then up close and personal with your drill field. Very pretty. There we go. So we'll do our sticky test. Yep, perfect. Also, one thing I wanted to point out that I love about Diamond Dotz, you've got a lot of good quality stuff going on here. Like I said, the canvas is really nice. You don't have big grooves and chunks in your canvas. But what I also love is how they do, and I'll try and get this up there so you can see, but right along the edging there, they don't actually make the drills go to the very edge. They have a printed edging there. And I think it's really, really effective because it blends it in so beautifully. And I think that it just comes up so nice. Very smart. Let's have a look at those drills. So we have got your drills, and we've got your toolkit. So again, with your toolkit, you have a drill pen, a drill tray, you've got your wax in the screw top container, and you have your finger squishy thingy, and you also have some Ziploc bags. All right, let's have a look at these drills. These are the best part. Now check out the colors. It looks like candy, doesn't it? All right. So having a look at these drills, we've got some lovely greens. Beautiful colors. Blues. Some more blue and some orange. Oops. Got some yellow. And this one here, you got some yellow AB, so you got a bit of extra sparkle happening there. What I love about these drills, their drills are cut so nicely and they're uniform, and the facets just really pick up that light with a beautiful sparkle. Got some grays and some cream. Very pretty. Got some oranges. It's like every color of the rainbow. Very pretty. And last but not least, got some pinks. Really, really pretty. This is just going to pop. It's going to look absolutely awesome. It's so bright and colorful. It's just going to look so beautiful. Very, very nice. So there you go. There's my two diamond paintings from, they're the Diamond Dotz diamond paintings from dotzdirect.com.au. That's very hard to say altogether. Very good company to deal with. The customer service is excellent. There's a lot of choice on their website, and they are grouped in your levels. So what is it? Beginner, starter, intermediate, advanced. So if you want to narrow it down to that, or you can do searches, however you want to do it. But the website's very easy to navigate. The prices are good, and Diamond Dotz, it's good quality. So there you go. That's my bird series. Looking forward to doing that. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be showing you works in progress as well as the finished product when I can get around to do it. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.